Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and in today's look I'm going to show you how to create this really super easy smoky eyes and bold lipstick. And I don't think I've worn red lipstick since a very long time, and keep watching the tutorial to find out my favorite red lipstick. And for my eyes I use the Jaclyn Hill Volume 2 palette, and I'll tell you more about the palette during the tutorial. So now without wasting any more time, let's get started. So I'm done with both my eyebrows and I'm going to start doing the eye makeup. I'm first going to take my transition color Comfort Zone, and this is the Zoeva brush in number 227, and I'm gonna add this onto my crease. This is a very large brush, and this is my transition color, so I want it to look diffused. I'm adding it onto my crease and going as high as my brow bone. There's just one layer, and the colors of course are super pigmented. I've used this palette so many times in the past, and this palette has never ever failed me. If you ever find this on sale, I think you should just grab it. Next, I'm going to take the shade Homebody. This one's a bit warmer and darker brown shade, and I'm placing this on my crease and I'm dragging it a bit higher. I totally love this palette more than her first palette. This one is so much better, like the formula wise, and I like the colors also of this palette, but definitely the formulas are so much better of this palette than her first palette. So again, as I was saying, that if you ever get the chance to buy this palette, just take the offer, buy it, grab it. It's so reasonably priced, and if it goes on sale, it's so much more cheaper when it goes on sale. Like they usually have like around 30% off. Just going back and forth, adding this onto my crease. Now I'm again taking that first brush, the Zoeva brush, without any color, and just blending out the edges. I'm again taking the color Homebody and adding this to my outer corner, just deepening and darkening the outer corner a bit more. Just love this color to deepen and darken the outer corner. So this was like my fourth layer, and now whatever's left on the brush, I'm just moving a bit ahead so that everything looks blended. And when I add the shimmery color on top of this, it's just gonna pop much more than usual because there's like a base color. Next, I'm going to take this beautiful shimmery color, Ride or Diamonds. I've never used this shade before. It's like pressed pigment. You can use your fingertips for that, but as you guys know, my nails are really long, so I can't do that. So I'm adding this all the way from the inner corner till like almost 3/4 of my lid. This is like my fifth layer with an amazing shimmery color. Really pretty. I love how it's sparkling like the tiny diamonds. Looks beautiful. You could just wear this color all over the lid and it would look so pretty. Next, I'm taking the color Get Ready With Me. It's called GRVM, and I'm just adding this to the inner 1/3 only. This step is totally optional, and I'm gonna add some on the outer corner, just a bit over here. So done with this super easy eye makeup. I'm gonna do my face makeup and be right back. Done with my face makeup, and now to continue with the eye makeup, I'm gonna add the Urban Decay eyeliner on my top waterline and my bottom waterline, and I'm gonna let it bleed to my lower lash line so that I can blend it out in the next step. Then I'm taking the color Homebody and blending out the edges of the black shade all the way from the inner corner till the outer corner, just going back and forth. Next, I'm taking the shade Comfort Zone and blending out the edges of Homebody, smoking it out, just going from the inner corner to the outer corner. Another new product is the It Cosmetics blush, which is supposed to cover all the pores. It's perfect for textured skin. If you want to hide all the pores, it's perfect for that. And this one is a naturally pretty. Smile and add on the apple of your cheeks and blend it in the contouring. Next, I'm taking the color I'm in it, and I'm gonna add this to the inner corner. Next, I'm adding the NARS Climax Extreme Mascara. Definitely, it's my current favorite and current go-to mascara. Adding on the top lashes and the bottom lashes too. Next, I'm gonna add the Pinky Coat lashes. For lipstick, I'm going in with red lipstick. This is the Makeup Forever lip liner in 19C. Just lining my lips. Then I'm adding the Fenty Beauty lipstick in Uncensored. This is like my most favorite red lipstick ever. And that's the final look using the Jaclyn Hill Volume 2 palette. I've created a couple more looks using this palette, a few dramatic looks also, and I'll list them down below so you can check it out. And again, as I said, if you get a chance to buy this palette, just grab it. It's an awesome palette. You love it. And before you leave, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. It really means a lot to me. I hope you do it. And I'll see you soon in my next tutorial. Bye for now.